Darling, you send me, I know you send me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look that I'm wearing right here. It is a easy, kind of sparkly, a little bit colorful kind of look, whatever you want to call it. And if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Alright guys, so we're going to be starting with foundation. So I'm using my Tarte foundation that I use usually before, and my disgusting blender. Now I'm going to use my NYX concealer palette. It's old, pretty dirty, but I like using this pink shade underneath my eyes to cancel out the blue tone. Then I use the green shade and covered my red spots with it, and the normal concealer color, and place it on my nose over the places that I already put the green on, and anywhere I want to brighten up a bit. And you're just going to blend that as well. And a tip I've learned is to give that a second to dry and do something else in the meantime. Foundation gets everywhere. So I'm going to do my eyebrows and I will be right back. And I'm back with some messy eyebrows. And now we are going to use my L'Oreal True Match N2 powder for my face, using my Morphe U41 brush. And I put it over my eyes as well, just to keep that foundation down. And this also works if you don't have an eye primer. You can just do foundation and powder. I usually do primers, but since I'm not going to be wearing this makeup for too long, I didn't deem it necessary. Alright, now that we're good, I'm going to add some of my Kat Von D Shade Light palette using the middle shade. Had this for a while, and adding some color to my cheeks. And even though I wear bangs, I still do it on my forehead. Don't ask me why. Yep, I'm going to do a little bit underneath my lip. You can kind of scrunch it like this. And then on the sides of my nose. Alrighty. And I'm just going to blend that out with my previously mentioned brush. And I'm going to be using my new favorite blush that I believe I used in my last video as well. My last makeup video. The Laura Geller blush. I just love that it's pink, but it also has rose gold tones to it. Sorry, I can't talk today. So it's almost like a brightening effect as well, like a highlight and blush. And then another fun trick is that put the blush on your nose. Makes you look a little like you've been in the sun. I like the effect. And I'm going to blend that out as well. Now, I am going to do my eyeshadow. I've just finished school, so I'm actually just working over the summer, then I'm heading up to New York, and I am so excited. It'll be crazy, but I'm really happy. Now I'm using the Dare to Create 39A palette. This massive palette. And I'm using the color Bear, which is a blending shade of theirs. and just putting it all over my lid. And I'm just looking at my mirror. I love doing my makeup in natural lighting because then you're able to actually see how it looks. You know, you'll do your makeup sometimes and you step out in the light and you're like, it's happened before. Comment down below if you've had that happen to you. I'm definitely the kind of natural shade eyeshadow girl. I love those earth tones. Alright, now I'm taking the shade Sunder and putting it in the crease. It's the slightest bit darker. And because the outfit that I'm wearing is kind of a blue-green, I thought it'd be fun to add a little pop of blue. And this is the shade Taylor, and I'm going to put it in my inner corner. Perfect, and now I'm going to add a little liner using the shade Muse from the palette. See the difference? Amazing what a little liner can do. Now I'm going to tightline my lashes, or curl my lashes, not tightline. Maybe we'll do that later. And add some mascara. And now the bottom lashes. Now I'm going to use the rest of my Champagne Pop, which is practically empty, for my highlight. And I'm going to get the same brush I was using earlier for my eyeshadow and dip it into the shade Canvas and go underneath my lash line very delicately. And I always hit my eyeshadow brush on the side of my desk or mirror or something, just so all of like the fallout doesn't go all over my face. Which, if you do your eyeshadow first, that's okay because you can just brush it off. But I did not do that today. Kind of blending everything together. Alright, now I'm going to use the Morphe setting spray. And I'm going to add some lipstick and do my hair, and I'll be right back. Alright, so all I did was do a little more glitter on the inner corners and do my bangs and pin my hair back behind one ear, put on my dress, and we're ready to go. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like and subscribe if you want more like these. If you have any video ideas, let me know down below. See you in the next video. Bye.